magma remain under surface, it takes million years to solidify. Therefore, every mineral under given compatible condition, they started combining with the other elements and then making a three-dimensional geometry. क्योंकि ग्रेनाइटिक में सिलिका ज्यादा है, सिलिका is more, but even then minerals are able to make na what under the compatible condition, elements get joined and mineral formation is there. इसका मतलब सिलिका is impurity, सिलिका is ना impurity ना, जब आप निकालोगे तो उसके साथ क्या अटैच्ड होगा, सिलिका. Then I said that यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखना है, yes, जिंक, मैग्नीशियम, yes, मैग्नीज, सिल्वर, देन आयरन. हैवियर जो होता रहेगा वो नीचे बनते जाएंगे, आयरन, Fe2O3 एंड ऑल. देन लेड, एंड जनरली जो लेड और सिल्वर जो है ना यहां पर एक ही जगह ऊपर नीचे बनते, लेड, सॉरी लेड, उसके ऊपर सिल्वर एंड उसके ऊपर जिंक, ये तीन एक ही जगह मिलते हैं लगभग, मोस्ट ऑफ द चांसेस. अंडरस्टूड, ऊपर नीचे. सो आई सेड सिल्वर, देन आई सेड दैट उससे हैवी क्या आ गया, प्लैटिनम, गोल्ड एंड यूरेनियम. अंडरस्टूड इट, अंडरस्टूड. सो दीज आर द मिनरल्स where you will get in the granitic rocks, and there is उसका बनने का स्टार्ट प्रोसेस कहां हो चुका था, in the Archean itself, 3800. और इसमें सबसे पहले कौन सा बनना स्टार्ट हुआ था, यूरेनियम. Who has been started forming? Who has been started forming? Uranium. Understood it? So this way that it has been formed, and और लेकिन इसी पीरियड में हम लेट आर्कियन में क्या देखे, which animals come? यूकैरियोटिक. एंड यूकैरियोटिक ने क्या दिया, unicellular organism started absorbing the carbon dioxide and other oxides from the atmosphere, and they started giving what, oxygen. Slowly atmosphere has an oxygen and other gases, and then at the same time in the everywhere oxygen, this oxygen started reacting with the rocks and again mineralization. आयरन के साथ रिएक्ट करके बना दिया minerals. Again there is a what, mineralization. So these animals are very much important for what is making minerals. Understood? So this is an Archean period. Archean period में two important things. What I said, that graniticness, yes, and another I said that mineralization, it is there. This is the mineralization, and also this is what, through the oxygenation mineralization. Understood? This rock system. So after that, Haydn 46 to 3800, Archean from 3800 to 2500. Now the next period I said that हमने क्या बोला, which period, याद हो गया, Proterozoic. sorry period नहीं, eon. Proterozoic, Haydn, Archean and इसके अंदर में early, middle and late, it is in a period, sorry, era. And Proterozoic, and Proterozoic it is from the which one, 2500 to 550. वैसे 542 लिखा रहेगा, लेकिन आप 550 लिखोगे कोई नहीं काटेगा, 600 भी लिख के आओगे कोई नहीं काटेगा. So I said that Proterozoic, and Proterozoic में क्या मैंने देखा, early Proterozoic, middle Proterozoic and then late Proterozoic eras. Understood? In this period यूकैरियोटिक तो पहले ही से थे, अब क्या आ गए, प्रोटो नहीं, प्रोकैरियोटिक. प्रोकैरियोटिक एनिमल्स मींस मल्टीसेलुलर, यूनिसेलुलर एंड मल्टीसेलुलर. यस और नॉट? अब दे स्टार्टेड गिविंग मोर ऑक्सीजन and more oxygen, more atmospheric formation, and then at the same time there is a what, it led to the more mineralization. Understood? It led to, so the prokaryotic is the period where there is a more mineralization has been taken place. और भी mineralization वहाँ हुआ. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है सबसे ज्यादा minerals granitic rock में होता है, ये ध्यान में रखना है. Understood? जो कि हमने Archean period में देख लिया. Shall I remove this? So that we have seen, this is the period of Proterozoic, and यहाँ पर क्या मिला आपको, oxygen and then more mineralization. एंड ऑलरेडी ग्रेनाइटिक रॉक है ही हमारे पास. नाउ हमने देखा व्हाट इज, इसका मतलब लेट आर्कियन टू अर्ली प्रोटेरोजोइक. व्हाट इज देयर? ईस्टर्न घाट. इट मीन्स ईस्टर्न घाट इज फुल ऑफ मिनरल्स. यस. बुंदेलखंड, MP and UP, and Baghelkhand in MP. Yes. Which are the area I said that? Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand, and then from the Shillong to Shillong, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Eastern MP, Chhattisgarh, Eastern Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra, Southern Karnataka, and understood? Okay, no? So this region must have one a chance of what? So what I said that eastern half of India is which mineral? Metalliferous. And western half of India is what? Non-metalliferous. ऐसा नहीं कि वहां नहीं होगा, वहां पे भी metalliferous मिलेंगे थोड़े. Percentage concentration is more of non-metalliferous. So these are formed during the what? Late Archean to early Proterozoic. And in early Proterozoic, yes, Dharwad rock system. Which rock system? अब ध्यान से देखेंगे धारवाड़ रॉक सिस्टम. जब मैं लिखवाऊंगा उसी समय धारवाड़ रॉक सिस्टम. Then I said that next one is early to middle Proterozoic, जो 1800 के पास आ गए. क्या बना 1800 मिलियन ईयर्स में? Aravalli range, which has been formed. Aravalli range has been formed twice. एक बन रखे 1800 से बनकर खत्म हो गया, and another period started in the form of 1000 million years ago. Understood? And by the period of 500 million years, 600 million years, that it is stopped. Then it is, I said that early Proterozoic, later Archean to early Proterozoic, Eastern Ghat, Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand, clear? And now only Proterozoic. Early Proterozoic, Dharwad. Early to middle, it is what? Clear? Aravalli. And then middle Proterozoic to, yes, early Proterozoic. That is, sorry, late Proterozoic. दो rocks बने. Which are the two rock system? Yes, ये around 1800 million years. And then Kudappa. It is a Kudappa rock system. And it is around 1500 million years. And then 1500 to 600. And then Vindhya rock system 1200, yeah, better to say 1200 to 600 million years. Understood? And these two are known as Purana rock system. तो वैसे इंडिया के केस में पढ़ते क्या है? आर्कियन, धारवाड़, पुराना, ये बोलते हैं पहले तो. What are the rock system used to say? Archean, Dharwad, Purana, and one we used to say what? Gondwana. जिसमें आप लोग एक द्रविडियन, जिसको बोला जाता है द्रविडियन and Aryan. Which are the five? I said that. Which are the five? In the Indian case, Archean, Dharwad, Purana, Dravidian, and then Aryan. Understood? Dravidian and Aryan. Shall I remove? ये समझ में आ चुका है यहाँ पे हम लोग. अब हम लोग आ रहे हैं लाइफ में. ये just before the life. Joic means life. Just before the life. Next one, it is in a which eon? Phanerozoic. Haddon, Archean, Proterozoic. Haddon, Archean, Proterozoic. Then which one I am talking about? Phanerozoic. Phanerozoic, and that you can say 550 to 0. So which eon we are? Phanerozoic. And what is the meaning of Phanerozoic? I have said that visible life. Life is, देख रहे हैं लाइफ बनने में कितना समय लगा? ऑक्सीजन एंड ऑल सारा कंडीशन बनना होता है, देन द लाइफ सिस्टम बनने में. मिनरल्स पहले बन गए, लाइफ बनने में टाइम लग गया. So I said that here it is in a eras are, I said that Paleozoic era, and you can take an idea like I said that means paleo means ancient hota hai, and you can say that ancient life, and that is 550 to 250 you can take. 550 million years to 250 million years. And another I said that, and this is known as Dravidian rock system. This is known as, I said that, Dravidian rock system for India, Paleozoic. And thereafter I said Mesozoic, and Mesozoic is from the 250 million years to 65 million years. Understood? 250 million years to what? 65 million years. And thereafter I said Cenozoic. What is the meaning of Mesozoic? 65 to 0. कल हम लोगों ने ये किया था. Yes. What is the meaning of क्या बोल रहा था मैं? Mesozoic. Yes. Tell me what is the meaning of Mesozoic? Yes, tell me what is the meaning of Mesozoic? अरे जोइक मतलब होता क्या है ये तो मुझे बता दो. Middle life. Meso means middle and sen means cn, recent life. Sen. Killer. And Mesozoic, it is in a middle life. And then Cenozoic means recent life. And in this period, this is known as, I said that, Aryan rock system. Aryan rock system. Yes, Aryan rock system. Now we are going to see Paleozoic. अब Paleozoic देखने जा रहे हैं. Paleozoic को क्या बोलते हैं? Tell me fast. हाँ? Dravidian. And generally आपने देखा होगा when the two different level of officer enter into particular restaurant, तो कौन पैसा पे करता है? बड़ा ऑफिसर या छोटा? छोटा. कल को तुम कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस बन जाओगे तो कौन पे करेगा? डीसीपी पे करेगा. सीपी बनने के बाद कौन पे करेगा? यस. तो आई सेड दैट पैलियोजोइक, तो मैंने बोला कैम्ब्रियन, देन आई सेड दैट Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous. Carboniferous and then Permian. These are the 6 period under the Paleozoic era. हम लोग अब पीरियड यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. पहले तक हम लोग ओनली इयन एरा वी आर वाचिंग. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ here इयन era we have seen which are the era? Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. And then Paleozoic में which are the period we are able to see? Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian and Carboniferous and Permian. तो जब आप किसी होटल में जाते हो तो क्या बोलते हैं? पल मीन्स पैलियोजोइक. इस पल का कॉस्ट हु विल पे? कौन पे करेगा? हु विल पे? आप थोड़ी ना पे करोगे. इस पल का कॉस्ट हु विल पे? DCP. C for Cambrian, O for Ordovician, S for Silurian, D for Devonian and C for Carboniferous and P for Permian. P for Permian. Understood? Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous and Permian. Completely okay? Is it okay? याद हो गया? And this is known as a Dravidian rock system. This is known as, I said that, Silurian and Devonian. इससे पहले जितने भी हैं वो